Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. No drama, yeah.
Hey y'all, and I'm back with another Power Hour Thursday. So today we will be tackling my refrigerator. And if you saw in the previous clips, obviously I have been neglecting my refrigerator. And I'm lost for words, but we are going to get it together. We're going to get it clean. We are going to deep clean and dissect this refrigerator and get it back to where it needs to be. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is DESNEKE. I'm a married mother of 3, and I do cleaning videos. I do organization, lifestyle, and a few other things I'll be bringing to my channel soon, and a few transformations at that. If you think you enjoy those type of things, I would love for you to join my fam by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get into this cleaning motivation.
We jump on a plane now, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down, we're going away. Yeah, we're going away, you and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low.
So right here, I'm showing you some awesome, that was like some paint that's been there for like the last 2.5 years. And I don't know why I never tried to clean it off, but since I was deep cleaning the refrigerator, I was like, why don't I actually try and get as much of it off as I can? So I was able to get a lot of it off, but I left what I couldn't get. So that's what I was doing right there.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms on me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
Oh my God. Yep, I don't even know. I don't even know. Y'all. Real life mess. Let's just get it done. Let's just hurry up and get it done. Holy cow.
Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
All right, y'all. The timer's going off. It's 11:52. Okay. First off. Oh, okay, timer. Okay. First off, I would like to say the refrigerator beat me today. But obviously, I've been neglecting my refrigerator, the top and the inside. So let's show you where I'm at. Okay? So the top is really, really clean. Okay? Got all inside clean. This is all clean. Okay? I have to still clean the plexiglass. This is all clean. This is all clean. Down here, we did it, y'all. It is clean. You see that? Clean. So now what I'm gonna do is, I just wanna do it one more time. I just wanna give it a final, like, wipe down with a little bit of bleach and Fabuloso just to give it a real fresh smell. We're gonna put everything away. It is currently, you saw the time, like 11:52. I wanna eat lunch. I do intermittent fasting, so I was already supposed to eat ever since 11. So I'm gonna clean up put all the stuff back in the refrigerator. You guys are gonna see that. Then I'm going to eat, and I'm still gonna come back just to show you a before of the freezer, and then a little bit of me doing it, and then you guys will just see the complete final look of the refrigerator. But this is real life, and I'm pretty much a clean person, but obviously I'm learning that there's some areas that I've really neglected, and it has to do with my whole entire refrigerator, inside and outside. So I will make a vow to myself to make sure once a month that I will dissect this refrigerator and not just like spot cleaning the shelves off and stuff, because stuff spills, and I had no clue. So anyway, let me just get this one wipe off the camera, and I'll put you guys up, and you guys will see me put everything back in. And like I said, I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna finish tackling this. All right, y'all.
Too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah. No drama, yeah. Cause I only love me.
So this is it all cleaned and organized. Now honestly, I would love to have some of those clear bins for some of my items like the yogurts and things of that nature, so it look a little more aesthetically pleasing. So I will be looking into that because your girl's on the hunt for a new refrigerator. So yeah, so this is how it came out, and we will be going into tackling the freezer next. Okay, right here I'm going to be pointing to, that is spilled spinach. See, that I knew what that was. So that is some spinach. So I was like, I'm going to make sure that I tie the spinach up so that this won't happen again. But let's quickly clean this out. Alright, for the most part, you did pretty good. There's a spot over there that was struggling to get. So, besides that, we did it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we are reaching the end of the video. I tried to organize the freezer as well as I could. I did like move all the ice and things of that nature that was in there, but I like to keep the kids' lunches and even my things that I like to eat for lunch like in, you know, readily available. So that was the best that I could get it, but it's all clean and organized to the best of my ability. I hope that you guys enjoyed this power hour. I hope it gives you some motivation to get something you clean that you need to clean. If you did enjoy, I would appreciate if you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys again on Sunday for part 2 of my spring cleaning series. Until Sunday, y'all. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.
Taking time out